Hello guys, welcome to April 2nd and it is currently 4:18 p.m. and I'm about to leave soon for a concert. Obviously I don't have any makeup on and I'm changed and I'm loving this jacket, you guys. But I'm gonna do my makeup, so I'm gonna show you guys my outfit later, but I have like my backpack ready and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'm going in an Uber. And I'm not sure if my mom's going. I don't think she is because it's like already almost 5. I'm meeting up at Jill with 5, so I need to stop and I need to get ready. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it's been like 4:40 and I'm about to leave and I look a lot more I feel like it looks so cakey, but it's just a highlight and I still look really bad, but I don't really care. Cause yeah, I should be leaving soon. I have my glasses and my backpack and I have everything. I'm about to call an Uber and I probably look paler because the foundation doesn't match me, but you know, it's okay. And it's wondering, I'm wearing Zebra by ColourPop, so yep, I'm going to go now.
This is like, no, we have to do.
Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, we are at Johnny Rockets and we are getting some milkshakes before the concert, and Rosie is gonna have a regular peanut butter milkshake. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Lighting's decent. Okay, well, we are going to a LINDAHL.
I don't know how to say it. I think so.
We are going to a concert.
Concert.
We are going to a we are going to a concert tonight. Okay, well, let's see. Have you seen this movie? Yeah. Have you seen any of the King Kong movies? At my concert, all my fans have been amazing. Just look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Rosie, look at the crowd. You're not looking at the crowd.
Wait, hold up. Okay, I'll look at the crowd.
Are my fans?
It's not focusing, but okay. Amazing. Hey guys, so we're waiting and the show's gonna start in like 5 minutes and it's so packed. It's packed. Look, Jill's here. It's packed, I swear, like. It's really packed, guys. Packed. You can't even see the stage. No. We're in the bathroom. Oh, okay, let's go this way. Let's go to the black wall. You're like so pale and with the lighting.
I'm pale in general.
No, like I'm saying lighting makes you like so. Oh look, Hunter Hayes. I don't like him, but
Sure, he has a great personality.
guys, we're like the only ones. So, kinda. Oh, we're like the first 20.
No, we were the first 2.
Well, besides the people who work there.
Besides his family.
Yeah. That. Just kidding, John. We love you. Whatever you watch, this is fun. Oh, I'm recording.
When the going gets for time.
Hello.
The sun is up the line.
I'm not filming it.
caffeine
like
makes me stay late, so I don't know if I'm gonna get anything.
I kind of don't want to get anything, but like I kind of do because it's Starbucks. But
Yeah, but
I don't know. Black coffee, of course. Yeah, it is.
So how about a double shot espresso?
A double shot espresso, like this one?
No, this one.
No, oh, the small ones? I don't know because like I kind of want to sleep tonight.
I kind of have classes tomorrow.
Oh, I have spring break, so we need to meet up again though.
I know. I missed you. It's so nice to meet you.
You're leaving now.
No, I saw
10 minutes.
a Rosie in her natural habitat.
Getting Starbucks.
We do not disturb the creature in the wild.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thanks. Okay. And then
Hashtag not spawns.
I got one probably.
Heyo.
Is it gonna break or something? Cause you know.
I don't know, I kind of hope that was. That'd make for great clickbait.
Does this like open or something?
Why would that? Oh, you get it from that thing.
Yeah, but it's not here. Hello.
Did you press the?
Am I supposed to press this? No, this is the cash, the change thing.
Did you put it
Do I
on?
put it again? D7.
There it is.
Oh! I thought I was gonna like throw it in there, you know? It's like, oh, thanks. No. Oh, okay, cool. I'm saucy.
How happy are you now?
20 out of 20.
20 out of 20 recommend.
Okay, I don't know. I've never tried this one.
Okay, we're getting the first reactions
Taste
here.
test after the vending machine almost broke my. Is that a thumbnail?
Clickbait. Starbucks vending machine tried to break it.
Tried to break
Try. Okay. No?
It's good.
It's good?
It tastes like coconut more than it does for coffee. You try it?
Well, it is mocha coconut.
Okay.
Well, I'm not a fan of coconut, so this isn't gonna end well anyways. I mean, it's good.
Would you recommend to coffee lovers?
It kind of tastes like that Girl Scout cookie.
Yeah, like the that's why. I forgot it's called, but it's the coconut caramel.
Caramel delights.
Yes, that's my favorite. Yeah. Okay.
Coming from a true ex-Girl Scout.
Yes. Clickbait.